I'm just so happy because I've been waiting for my stuff for a long time. Like, I've really been. We can move on. We can move on. Okay, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. Right now, I think I have my little baggy sets. I don't know what to call them. Opening up my little baggies that my products will go in, basically. Shoot. It's a scale. So apparently it's a scale, and I was extremely happy about it. I'm just so happy because I've been waiting for my stuff for a long time. Like, I've really been stressing. Like, even my husband, he said, stop stressing. Everything's gonna come together. Like, I have been scammed like twice. Watch out for Instagram scammers. Beware, beware, beware. They do look legit. They are legit, some of them, but they still can scam and be legit at the same time. Now we can move on. We can move on. We can move on. Have all my eyelashes. So obviously my eyelashes are already unboxed. You didn't get to see me unbox those. 4 styles, 25 styles of each, or 25 of each style. Let's get to the unboxing. Look at them waves, though. Ooh, look at them waves. I don't know nothing about them waves. Oh, hey, ride the wave, surfboard, the wave. Yeah, I paved the way. Yeah, I saved the day. Y'all don't know about that little kid? That's a little kid, bro. Okay, back to my professionalism. These are my first logo stickers. I ordered them from Zazzle. That's Zazzle, Zazzle.com. I think I ordered 105 sheets. Yeah, but I got some new logos now though. I made it myself. Y'all will see them in the next video probably. This is like a month old, but I'm just not publicating it or whatever. Okay, so I showed one style of my eyelashes. I don't know which style that was because I didn't name them yet. They had no labels on them, but the styles are on my website. I skipped the rest of. I just took out some stuff because y'all can go see the styles later. It's not about the lashes. It's just about unboxing stuff, really. So let me get to the next box. All my subscribers know by now I do not like long videos. If I could edit it out, it will be taken out. So I'm making this as short as possible. Oh, look at them edges, girl. You did do something with that. But it was a rough day. I wasn't going nowhere. I got my butt out in the camera. Jesus, make it right. These are shipping labels. Shipping seals. Okay, y'all might not know or understand this, but this is like real genuine happiness, and I want to capture it because I was so happy to get my thing. I'm pretty sure everybody that got their own business understand this part. Like when you get things in the mail, it's just an excitement because sometimes you have to wait a long time. And I found the Lash ones. They are so cute. Oh, this is so cute. They gold and fuchsia. Hey you guys, welcome to Lash by Kill. I am so excited to say that this is the premiere of my mini series. Okay, so thank you for watching episode 2. Stay in tune for episode 3. It's gonna have a lot more content, a lot more. I have videos recorded. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell.